Hi, I'm Leslie Knox, and welcome to Mission Possible Instructional Design. And I have some slides for you with all of my agent spy thought processes. So here we go. We're just going to start the screen share right now. Welcome to Mission Possible Instructional Design. My mission, when I chose to accept, has been to turn 3 weeks of learning into an informational and instructional Zoom video. I completed 4 operations before this briefing could be delivered. And my first mission was the arsenal. And the arsenal, well, every operation begins with the right gear. My official launch box arrived like a top secret drop. A MacBook command center, a slick tripod for steady shots, which I'm using now, a Zoom mic pack, and a Boya lavalier mic for crystal clear audio. And along with those tools, well, we have allies. And I combine that gear with my trusted allies, and those can include Adobe Creative Cloud, all the apps in there, Canva, my AI tools. This helps me design lessons that are fast, polished, and visually strong. This arsenal of tools helps me create content that engages and keeps learners on target. At least I hope so. And then we have mission 2. Now, mission 2, no mission succeeds without intelligence. In week 2, I decoded the science behind learning itself by creating a task needs analysis, which is important. So with that task needs analysis, there are 4 key learning theories that I used. Self-determination theory, goal orientation theory, problem-based learning, and project-based learning. They show how motivation, goals, and real-world challenges ignite engagement from your viewers, from your participants. And then we have our instructional design models. Now, I created avatars for each one because maybe they're spies. So we have Addie, Sam, Ashore, Dick, and Carrie. Each have a different blueprint for building instruction. But the good thing is you can use them in different ways and you can use them together. And that's the real power. It comes from pairing them. PBL and Sam for flexible problem solving or goal orientation, with Addie for clear, measurable growth. This mission provided me with a strategic map to build instruction that truly works. And then we have mission 3. Mission 3 is tech for agents, AI tools, and collaboration. Every great mission needs advanced reinforcement. So Tech for Agents is all about the digital allies that supercharge my creativity, speed, and collaboration. Let's start with the first one. That is MidJourney. And I use MidJourney all the time. That's my core AI agent. MidJourney generates striking custom visuals and textures for slides or video scenes. And then we have ElevenLabs.
ElevenLabs delivers natural, multilingual voiceovers so lessons can speak to any audience.
And that's the truth. With ElevenLabs, you can use any voice, and it delivers natural, multilingual voiceovers so lessons can speak to any audience. And then we have Mureka. Now, Mureka creates, mixes, and provides original background music to set the perfect mission mood. And then we have Kling.ai. Kling.ai produces realistic studio quality video avatars and motion graphics directly from text prompts, which is really fun. So, what do we have? Together, these AI and collaboration tools let me create content faster, keep remote teams connected, and turn lessons into interactive missions. But every elite agent needs to follow protocol. I double check all output, respect copyright and privacy, and combine machine speed with human creativity. AI and collaboration platforms are loyal operatives, but I remain mission control. Now, mission 4. Mission 4 was the field ops with Zoom and mission debrief. Zoom is more than a meeting room. It's a command center. Breakout rooms create covert team huddles, which, you can tell secrets. You have polls and reactions that you can gather instantly. You have whiteboard map strategy in real time and an immersive view wrap, which wraps everyone in the same scene. So, our mission debrief. I stocked my tools arsenal. That's number 1. Number 2, I gathered instructional intelligence with theories and models. Number 3, I enlisted AI allies and collaboration tools, MidJourney, ElevenLabs, Mureka, and Kling.ai. Number 4, I mastered Zoom deployment. So, what does that mean? That means our mission is accomplished. I now hold everything needed to deliver instruction that captivates learners and achieves results. I'm ready to make every learning mission not only possible, but unforgettable. So, yes, my mission was accomplished. And I thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And once again, thank you, and mission accomplished.